Anshalu, wishing you all a happy Ganesh Chaturthi. So in this video, I'll be teaching you simple watercolor background technique. Recently, I have done a work on the occasion of Janmashtami and I have posted it on my Instagram. So few of you guys have texted me asking how did I get that uneven background watercolor texture and also how did I get the uneven borders of the watercolor sheet. I wanted to make a similar work for Ganesh Chaturthi, so I thought why not make a video and share it with you guys. So in this video, I'll be showing simple watercolor background technique. It is very useful for all the beginners and also I'm going to draw little Ganesha on that. So do watch the video till the end, and if you like the video and if you found it helpful, then give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to leave your feedback or suggestions in the comment section below, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. So if you recreate any of my drawings, then don't forget to tag me so that I can post them on my social media handles. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Required material: Bristol watercolor sheet 200 GSM paper, Bristol fine liner pens, plastic sheet, pencil, scale, brushes, palette, a piece of cotton, waistcloth, water, and Camden watercolors. To get the uneven sides of the paper, you will need a scale which has sharp edges, and just do it as I am showing in the video. Do the same for all the sides of the paper. I usually prefer this because I don't know why, I really love doing watercolor paintings on papers which have uneven sides. I feel like it gives nice and good look to the overall painting. And I am using these three colors for the background: Chinese white, lemon yellow, and crimson lake. Now mix the color in the water properly. The color should not be thick. And add a little white into crimson lake to get pink color. And now just tap the yellow watercolor drops on the plastic sheet using a brush. And tap the other half with pink color. Merge both the colors in between to get orange color. Just merge the two colors a little bit. Please do not overdo. Now take a brush and apply water on the paper before applying the watercolors. Take the plastic sheet, turn it upside down and just put it on the paper carefully. Now slowly spread the colors using your finger. And remove the plastic sheet carefully. Take a piece of cotton and tap it on the excess color. Let the colors dry completely. Keep it aside for at least 20 minutes. And now it's completely dry. So let's draw our cute Bal Ganesha on it. So I'm first constructing the base of the sketch. When you're drawing with the pencil, please draw it as light as possible. So here is the outline sketch and I'm adding few more details to it. I'm using Bristol Fineliner 0.2 mm pen to draw the outline. Now gently erase all the pencil marks. And I'm adding few more details to it. If you want to add more details to the Ganesha, you can. I wanted to keep it cute and simple. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you all liked the video. If you did, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.